Hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. February, and we're doing our winter garden to see how it grew.
Our second annual February Canadian winter garden.
Yeah. Last year we did our winter garden. No, the year before.
Last year on February 18th on the channel. I'll put the video iCard up here.
Yeah.
This is our second winter garden. See the snow falling?
And it's deep.
It's very deep.
Well,
What do you
got?
got?
Grown here. Huh. Why? Let's go down there. Let's see.
I'll pick down here.
Okay. Look at this. Snow peas. Oh, what a harvest.
No leafy matter needed. They get so much CO2 from the snow. They grow clean.
Now look at our celery. Wow.
Oh, shake it off. Is there any dirt?
Oh, no dirt. Nope.
All right.
I'll just sit in the pail.
The only negative thing about snow gardening in the winter here in February in Canada, you don't get a big yield, but it comes out so clean, doesn't it?
Oh,
What's
look at
that?
this I found. Oh, rutabaga.
Oh, oh, look, it even comes pre-waxed from the snow. You don't get better than that. Are you?
Oh.
Boom. That's how deep the snow is, guys.
Oh.
What's
Okay.
next?
Oh, look at spring onions.
Oh.
I put the elastic around it so it would hold up.
Yeah, did a good
Look at the
job.
roots.
Nice
Beautiful.
and clean.
And let's see how our lettuce is doing. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
There
wow.
we go. Nice.
Nice and crispy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a big storm coming. We don't want to push our luck.
That's
So
right.
we're going to do our harvest.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my.
Look at that leek.
What a beautiful size. Snow leeks.
Let's see. Ready? Oh, there we go. One more. Let's see. Oh, yeah. There we go.
We're going to have to plant again. Or do you think the storm's going to be too severe?
I think the storm's going to be too severe.
Oh,
And let's see what onions we got. Oh, red onions. Perfect.
oh wait. Oh, I didn't get to see you pull it out.
Oh,
Look at that.
beautiful.
Nah, we did better this year than we
year
did
before.
last year.
Must be the manure.
So in the house, we've got some more snow peas. We're
Yeah.
going to come out and plant a whole bed of snow peas.
Yeah,
See how they do.
snow peas. All right, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And we'll see you next video.
Don't forget to watch last year's winter
That's
garden.
right, yeah.
We're so jealous of all you people out in the States and the South that are planting. Okay, let's get our
Let's get her
yield in the house. You going to be able to make it through that deep snow again? Another bad thing about winter snow gardens. Chickens benefit from our winter snow garden as well.
Oh, yeah.
Enjoy, ladies. Thank you for your eggs today.